Look up at the night sky. It's a view that has inspired wonder and imagination for as long as humans have existed. For millennia, humanity has gazed upward, driven by curiosity and a longing to explore the unknown. The stars have always called to us, sparking questions about our place in the universe and what lies beyond our world. Today, space exploration is no longer just a government pursuit. Private companies are rewriting the rules. The landscape is shifting rapidly, with new players entering the race and established ones innovating at breakneck speed. The pace is breathtaking. Launches that once took years to plan now happen in weeks, sometimes even days. The countdowns are more frequent, and the stakes are higher than ever before. Rockets lift off from Florida with record frequency, reshaping our relationship with space. The Space Coast has become a symbol of this new era, where launches are routine but never lose their sense of awe. This is about more than satellites. It's about building a multi-planetary future and unlocking new opportunities. We're not just sending machines, we're laying the groundwork for humans to live and work beyond Earth. From lunar bases to Mars habitats, the dream of becoming a spacefaring civilization is closer than ever. Even students and young engineers are getting involved, fueling the next generation of explorers. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pioneering reusable rockets and next-gen spacecraft, pushing technology to new heights. Their innovations are making space more accessible and affordable. Every launch, test, and even failure accelerates progress, fueling fierce but creative competition. Each setback is a lesson, and each success brings us closer to the stars. We're witnessing a pivotal moment in history, where each mission is a piece of a larger puzzle. The excitement is contagious, drawing crowds and inspiring millions around the world. The goal: extend humanity's reach beyond Earth, to explore, to settle, and to thrive in new worlds, turning science fiction into reality. The challenges are immense, but the determination is greater. Teams work tirelessly, overcoming obstacles and setbacks with ingenuity and grit. The next chapters in our journey to the stars promise to be the most exciting yet. As we stand on the edge of a new era, the possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. SpaceX leads the charge, turning bold visions into reality with its Starship program. This ambitious project is not just about reaching new heights but redefining the possibilities of space travel. Starship aims to be a fully reusable system for crew and cargo to orbit, the Moon and Mars. It's designed to make space more accessible and sustainable. The approach: build, test, fly, fail, learn and repeat, rapidly advancing rocketry. Each test, whether successful or not, provides invaluable data. Preparations for the 11th Starship test pair Booster 15 with Ship 38, after a scrubbed launch, reminded us that caution is key. Every step is meticulously planned and executed. Delays aren't failures, they're proof of a commitment to safety and precision. Each delay ensures that every aspect is thoroughly checked and rechecked. Even ground systems, not just rockets, can cause setbacks, highlighting the complexity of spaceflight. The intricate dance of technology and human effort is evident. Every component, from launch pads to fuel tanks, must work in harmony. The orchestration of these elements is crucial for mission success. This cycle of testing and troubleshooting drives innovation. It's a relentless pursuit of perfection. The 10th flight, after weather and technical delays, achieved all major objectives, including a controlled booster landing. This marked a significant milestone. Each mission, whether a triumph or a fiery test, yields data that brings Mars closer. The journey is as important as the destination. Failures are lessons, not endpoints. They are stepping stones to greater achievements. The dream of a city on Mars inches forward with every launch. Each effort, each test, brings humanity closer to becoming a multi-planetary species. Every launch pad has its era, each one a silent witness to the relentless march of progress in space exploration. And at SpaceX's Starbase, a remarkable transition is underway, one that will shape the future of spaceflight for years to come. Ship 38, set for the highly anticipated Flight 11, is the last of the Starship V2 models. Its launch will mark not only the end of an era for this generation of rockets, but also the final mission for Pad 1 in its current form. Pad 1 has witnessed both spectacular triumphs and dramatic setbacks, each event leaving its mark and helping to shape the ongoing evolution of Starship technology. After this historic flight, Pad 1 will undergo a major transformation, an extensive upgrade designed to support even more advanced vehicles and higher launch frequencies. SpaceX isn't just building rockets, they're laying the groundwork for a future where launches are as routine as commercial flights, with infrastructure designed for rapid, airline-like operations. Every lesson learned from past tests, every challenge overcome, will inform Pad 1's redesign, making it stronger, more resilient, and more efficient than ever before. As Pad 1 prepares for its upgrade, focus will shift to the brand new Pad 2. Built alongside ongoing tests, Pad 2 will enable continuous launches and ensure that progress never slows. This innovative two-pad system is key for achieving high-frequency flights and providing the operational flexibility needed for ambitious missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The move from Pad 1 to Pad 2 signals Starship's shift from experimental test flights to the dawn of routine, reliable operations, an essential step toward making space accessible to all. The final tests on Pad 1 are more than just a technical milestone. They're a farewell to the program's infancy and a celebration of how far Starbase has come. As the sun rises over Starbase, a new, more ambitious era is about to begin, one that promises to redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. Behind the headlines, reliable cargo missions keep our presence in space alive. Northrop Grumman's upgraded Cygnus XL spacecraft recently completed its first mission, NG-23, to the ISS. The journey wasn't flawless. Thruster trouble delayed docking, but ground teams solved it. Over 5 tons of critical cargo arrived, including materials for microgravity experiments and medical research. These deliveries enable breakthroughs in science and medicine, vital for future deep space missions. Cygnus XL also brought equipment for pharmaceutical and cryogenic studies, helping us understand human adaptation to space. Each successful cargo run sustains astronauts and advances research. Reliable supply lines are the backbone of exploration. The ISS remains a beacon of international collaboration and discovery. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, is making a comeback in the new space race. The recent NS-35 mission saw New Shepard return to flight, carrying 40 research payloads to the edge of space. New Shepard now boasts over 200 experiments flown, serving both tourism and science. But the spotlight is shifting to New Glenn, Blue Origin's massive, reusable heavy-lift rocket. Designed to land at sea, New Glenn aims to rival SpaceX's Falcon Heavy and Starship. Its debut, set for late 2025, will carry NASA's Escapade probes to Mars, a high-stakes, high-profile mission. Delays have added pressure, but a successful launch would transform Blue Origin's role in the industry. New Glenn's arrival will reshape the heavy-lift market. Competition is heating up, driving innovation across the board. The next chapter for Blue Origin is about to unfold. The road to space is paved with technical challenges, from faulty valves to failed tests. Each setback, like SpaceX's S38 explosion, yields data that strengthens future designs. Delays and scrubs are part of a rigorous safety culture. Better safe than sorry. Reliability is built one challenge at a time, ensuring safe missions and eventually human flights. But as launches increase, a new problem emerges: crowded skies. SpaceX seeks approval for up to 44 Starship launches a year from Florida, raising concerns for commercial aviation. FAA studies warn of potential flight delays at major airports due to expanded launch hazard zones. Airlines and airports worry about economic impacts and logistical headaches. Regulators must balance space industry growth with efficient air travel. Innovative air traffic solutions are needed for both industries to thrive. We're living through a renaissance in space exploration, an era of unprecedented ambition. SpaceX's relentless Starship testing and Northrop Grumman's dependable Cygnus XL missions are building the future. The ISS remains our outpost for science and collaboration, sustained by reliable cargo runs. Blue Origin's resurgence, with New Shepard's success and New Glenn's promise, adds new momentum. Competition is a catalyst, not a zero-sum game. It drives innovation and lowers costs. Technical and regulatory challenges are real, but they're signs of a maturing industry. This is about more than rockets, it's about humanity's drive to explore and expand our horizons. The progress we see today is opening the solar system to science, commerce, and adventure. The dreams of science fiction are becoming reality. The journey is just beginning. The cosmos awaits.